Hello everyone. I hope you are doing well. Today's story is very beautiful and emotional. In this story, you will learn many daily useful and helpful sentences. Please watch this story till the end. Practice these sentences again and again, because practice makes a man perfect. Now, let's start the story. My name is David. I live in a small village. My village is quiet and simple. Life here is not easy. My family is poor. We do not have much money. But I have many dreams. I want a better life. I want to help my family. I want to change my future. Every morning, I wake up early. I help my parents at home. I do small work every day. Then I get ready for school. I walk to school alone. On the way, I think a lot. I think about my dreams. I think about my future. My heart feels heavy. But I keep moving forward. I had dreams, but no support. People around me did not believe in me. They laughed at my ideas. They said dreams are useless. They said I am wasting my time. Their words hurt me a lot. Sometimes I felt very sad. Sometimes I felt very weak. But I stayed quiet. I did not stop dreaming. My parents loved me. But they were always worried. They worried about money. They worried about food. They worried about daily life. They had no time to understand dreams. I never got angry with them. I understood their problems. I respected their struggle. I decided to stay patient. At school, I sat on the last bench. I listened to every lesson. I tried to understand everything. Some students made fun of me. Some students ignored me. Teachers were busy with others. Still, I focused on my studies. I believed education is important. I believed learning can change life. This belief gave me strength. After school, I felt very tired. My body was weak. My mind was full of thoughts. At night, I could not sleep easily. Tears came into my eyes. I asked myself many questions. Why is life so hard? Why am I alone? Then I took a deep breath. I told myself to stay strong. I made a simple routine. I studied every day. I read small books. I learned easy English sentences. I practiced speaking alone. I talked to myself in English. I wrote new words in a notebook. This became my daily habit. No one supported me. But I supported myself. One day, I failed a test. I felt very bad. My confidence went down. People said bad things again. They said I will never succeed. Their words were painful. For some time, I felt broken. I wanted to give up. But then I stood up. I decided to try again. I learned from my failure. I did not blame anyone. I worked harder than before. I used my time wisely. I avoided useless talks. I focused on my goals. Slowly, I felt improvement. Small success made me happy. My confidence started growing. Hope came back into my heart. Time passed day by day. I became more calm. I became more patient. I learned to control my emotions. I stopped expecting help from others. I stopped complaining about life. I learned to accept reality. I trusted myself more. I believed in my hard work. This belief changed me. One day, people noticed me. They saw my discipline. They saw my confidence. They saw my progress. Some people felt surprised. Some people felt ashamed. They started talking kindly. They started showing interest. But I stayed the same. I did not forget my past. I remembered my painful days. I remembered my lonely nights. Those days taught me lessons. They taught me patience. They taught me strength. They taught me self-belief. I understood one thing clearly. Support is good, but not necessary. Self-belief is more important. Hard work never goes to waste. Today, my life is better. I am still learning. I am still growing. Problems still come. Life is still not easy. But I am not afraid now. I know how to face pain. I know how to stay strong. I know my worth. That is my real success. I still have dreams. My dreams are bigger now. I work for them every day. I stay focused on my path. I avoid negative people. I choose peace over noise. I believe in slow progress. I believe in daily practice. Small steps matter a lot. Consistency is the key. This is my story. I had dreams, but no support. Still, I did not stop. Still, I did not quit. I learned to believe in myself. I learned to walk alone. If I can do it, you can too. Never give up on your dreams. Keep practicing every day. Your time will come.